Phosphorus is most important for root growth and healthy flowering. And do you know which fertilizer has the most phosphorus? It's rock phosphate, an organic and naturally occurring rock full of phosphorus. And in this video, we will learn all about rock phosphate, what are its benefits, how to correctly use it, and some of its side effects. So just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Rock phosphate is a sedimentary rock enriched with phosphorus, calcium and some other elements. In appearance, rock phosphate is a powdery substance with no smell and color varying from orange to greyish depending upon the quality and the area from where it's found. It's a common fertilizer available in most offline and online garden stores. Its basic purpose is to provide phosphorus and calcium to the plant, which further results into several benefits. By the use of rock phosphate, a plant gets a lot of benefits. It includes the super fast growth of roots, the roots that absorb the nutrition from the soil called as fibrous roots. Phosphorus also improves the flowering health of a plant. The calcium element of rock phosphate is also useful. Calcium is vital for all plants. It helps in the development of fruit. The blossom and rot problem of tomatoes and peppers are caused solely by calcium deficiency. And rock phosphate helps in recovery and prevention of blossom and rot. You should learn in depth about the benefits of calcium and phosphorus elements from the description box video. Rock phosphate is organic and natural, which is very safe to use for any kind of edible plant. Rock phosphate also improves the soil health by enhancing its fertility and texture. It doesn't affect the microbial life of the soil. The pH of rock phosphate is slightly acidic, which improves the uptake of nutrition by the plant. Overall, rock phosphate is a key plant element and have a lot of benefits. That's why you should also give it a try. Now let's know how we can use rock phosphate around our plants safely and correctly. The first and the easiest way to use rock phosphate is to add it over the soil of a potted plant. Around 1 to 2 tablespoons of a good quality rock phosphate for a 10-inch pot once a month is enough. You can buy a pure quality rock phosphate from the description box. Mix really well. The best time to use rock phosphate is the growing season of the plant. Water frequently so the fertilizer can be absorbed by the roots. Another easy way to use rock phosphate for plants is while the soil preparation. When making a potting mix for any kind of plant, you can add a small amount of rock phosphate in it. This will enrich the whole soil media with phosphorus and calcium. Around 1 to 2 tablespoons of rock phosphate are enough for a gallon of soil media. Mix really well and use this soil for planting vegetables or houseplants, etc. You can use this method for vegetable mixes, indoor plants potting mix, even for seed starters. And here you can also subscribe to our channel. One way to use rock phosphate for your plants is with compost. Direct use of rock phosphate on the soil may cause issues, especially when applied overly. While if you mix the rock phosphate with some low-dose fertilizer like compost, this will make a great combo of nutrients for plant and won't affect the plant in a negative way. Use a tablespoon of rock phosphate in a gallon of compost media. Mix well and use this compost as same as before. A handful for an 8 to 10 inches pot. Use only once a month and don't fertilize your plants in their off season. For making compost at home, you can follow the description box video. Following a correct way, you can use rock phosphate on any kind of plant, especially vegetables, houseplants, flowering plants of any kind, vines and trees. Just don't use on cacti and succulents or use very small dose. There are also some side effects of using too much of rock phosphate or using it in a wrong way. It's high in phosphorus. Using frequently will raise the phosphorus of the soil, while other required elements won't be present. This causes a nutrients imbalance, which results the plant to stop growing and it may die too. Better is to use it occasionally, not regularly. Or you can mix it with other useful fertilizers to create a balance of nutrients. A detailed playlist on such other fertilizers like blood meal, cow dung, fish meal, mustard cake, etc. is added in the description box. Feel free to follow. Frequent use of a poor quality rock phosphate also causes soil contamination, means heavy metals or toxic compounds will get into the soil and affect its working. So buy from a trusted source. One is also added in the description below. So it's all about rock phosphate uses and benefits for plants. Follow this video on a similar calcium fertilizer called bone meal and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.